It is
Right
not.
from scratch.
This is HD. This says HK.
You see, this one already using
Yeah.
ours. You can't sell it.
But you sell me not the right one.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
overpriced. This thing is going for 700 rand. You
With the
sold
right
me.
information.
This is
information
overpriced.
wrong.
It's not right. This information. You don't have a GPS. The dual
GPS,
cameras, that camera don't even work properly. You can't do route planning with it. You don't do follow me. That thing that with your hands don't work. You don't want to hoover. So how can I? It's
All
not
that
right. It's not working.
information is wrong.
And I'm working within my 7 days here.
Because it is not like it is. That one, it's like it is. You buy 17. You must, if you know, like, you must put in 18, 19. So like it is, you already using. Ours, you can't put a shell. They're sending somebody.
If I buy it macro, if I buy it any other place, you tell me
Yeah.
7 days. I use it, I taste it, it's not right, I take it back, they exchange it.
Yeah,
You
okay.
understand?
Yeah,
And that
yeah,
is what
my
your
work I check, working or working.
that is your stuff, what your stuff is paying. But this information is wrong.
Paid for this.
You lie. This box is lying to me. The information. This box is not
We
right.
paid for the
See, already
GPS,
you-
everything, and the GPS
Yeah.
is
Now
not
this
there.
one making old. So
If I don't use it, how must I know it is working right?
yeah. So
Huh?
you buy 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So you using 2-3 days, you know, no working after being back.
I
You
could-
can't using too many days.
I only use it one day. The other days the wind was blowing. I only use it one day.
Oh, it was strong wind.
Yeah. The other
couldn't
days the
do
wind was
anything.
blowing. I couldn't test it further. I couldn't use it further because
But
of
we
the wind.
want the one with the GPS, like the box
What
says,
is-
and there's no GPS.
Yeah.
So how can they sell something with a GPS and there's no GPS?
Yeah. And 8K and it is only HD 1080.
No, 8K, 4K, you must change your cell phone there.
No, it's
No
nothing to
4G.
do with their cell
Yeah, I'll
phone.
ask him
The
like that.
image that's on the
Yeah,
cell
I'm asking
phone.
my guy to test for
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. And then I want to know about the GPS. Where's
But this-
the GPS there? There's no GPS.
No, GPS is not
That's
working.
why we brought it
the
back, actually, for the
the flow,
GPS.
the flow don't work. You don't hoover.
So jy kan praat nou verder.
Nee, bly hier so.
And this screw also nothing.
Yeah, it wasn't there. I photographed it. When I take it out of the box, it didn't have a screw. So you actually sell me second-hand stuff.
I'm not even go like that. I'll ask my guys to test for you if you can wake it up or not.
Yeah, but we want the GPS.
Yeah,
It says-
and
One
I
you
want
setting
8K. I paid for 8K.
Yeah, AK also cell phone they take you. I'll show you
Huh?
my camera.
Yeah.
They here.
Yeah,
They want the AK
Yeah.
or not. Here change.
yeah.
That's why I'll
Yeah,
show
with
you.
your cell phone change na 8K.
Yeah.
No,
Cell phone
no,
change.
it don't work that way.
Okay, me, I show you,
this
me, I show
camera,
you.
I'm not stupid. You
Yeah.
don't make me off as stupid. Because this camera
Yeah.
have a certain resolution. It's not your phone, it's your camera.
No.
This camera,
Change your phone there.
no, don't talk nonsense to me.
Yeah, I'll show you
You're
now.
talking nonsense now.
I'll show you now. Now you can understand. I'll show you now. You can understand.
Ja, nou gaan jy so by hom staan, ek wil net iets gaan kyk.
Camera also see like this. You know this one?
Yeah.
I'll show you. Here is change. Here. In the
Yeah.
front side,
Yeah.
there is change. Clean or no clean. There is change. You see? They clean.
Ja.
Here, no clean. The cell phone
Yeah.
change. All of camera. This app and my app, same one.
No,
Yeah.
it's not the same one. There's
Okay, you want it-
there's
you
a
want it-
difference.
You see this one?
You know
Android-
what? You know what?
Android-
You know
Android-
what's the difference between
Android.
4K, 8K,
Yes, here,
1080? You know what is
Yeah.
HD? You know what is SD? Do you
Yeah.
know what is
I know.
720? Do you know what is
You know,
1080?
I said in this one how
No?
many years?
Huh?
6 or 7 years. I know this one.
No, you
Here
don't know
change.
it because Show me a demonstration. I want to see a demonstration.
Here must change. They must change
No,
here.
this camera,
Yeah.
I've said every camera have different resolutions. Like your TVs have different resolutions.
Yes. TV there, you got
Yeah.
a TV.
No, this is
H1,
8K.
H2, H3, H2.
That is
That's
not
why I must
8K.
change here.
On the internet, on YouTube, it
Android,
says
Android.
it says
and
it's
the Android
only-
is same setting. I know.
the
Android is same setting. You see, same Android. Here must come into here.
But anyway, its GPS don't work.
Here, no killing
I
nice.
don't know.
Yeah.
He's
Here, killing nice.
doing
Yeah.
Yeah,
the
must
thing.
set
Yeah.
telephone. What is?
Maar dit,
So jy moet op jou selfoon al die goed check.
Ja.
jy
sê
kan
wat
hom
jy
op die
change.
kamera nie, want jy kry verskillende
Ja,
tipe
ek
sterkte
weet.
kameras.
Okay, I'll
En
show you
in die
video.
kameras
Now you
kry
don't-
jy kry
you don't should
kameras
be-
met verskillende sterkte en groot televisies. Kom jy groot televisies kry en klein
I'll show you
televisies
videos
kry.
how to change it. I'll show you video. Now you can know.
But if you haven't got that phone, type of phone, how can you use this thing?
No, I'll show you videos how they can know.
Because I can't even find a review of this one on the internet. The only one is that looks like this one has another name, and they can see on the image it's not good. And they told me on the video it is HD.
S39 here. S39 here. S91 there. Here.
Not the same one.
No same. And the
Yeah,
F is same. You see camera on top. The
Yeah,
F is
so
same.
it's not the same.
And here,
Yeah.
setting HI.
Yeah.
You see this one? To set here. And green. See? What is? What is check this one? I want to see if they can go up or not.
Yeah, if it's hovering, that sensor is not working at the bottom.
Here it says, show you how to set clean nice. Here there, say for
Yeah.
them. Show you. Take a look. They say 4K, 8K. Now you see this one change.
Yeah, but
Here
it's not
change.
the same model.
Here change.
It's not the same model. It
Yeah.
don't work.
This one Android, this one
This
also
thing
Android.
don't have the functions you advertise on the box. The box is lying.
No, definitely not the same. That's on the box, that's inside. It's two different things.
Maybe you don't know using this one.
And that box was open. It wasn't a plastic over, nothing. We bought it like we brought it in this morning. Kyk nou wat doen hy.
Ja, kyk, staan hy
Hy
uit
het
sy
hom
plek.
op breek gesê jy nie.
Ja, en dan moet jy ook hierso so staan. See, you break it.
Now you broke it, it's not us, hey? Definitely not.
All of us open. Yeah.